Hi guys, want to make something really pretty for fall to put in your home? You see this ribbon right here? This is going to be my color theme, and I'm just going to make some nice pumpkins to put on the bottom of my fireplace. So I picked up a few items from Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, all the items that I'm using in this video are from the Dollar Tree. And it was the last two set of pumpkin stacks I found in the store. I just had to grab them because I had plans for them, y'all. You see, I'm just gonna share a fun and easy DIY project that totally brings those cozy fall vibes into your home. I made this adorable pumpkin decor to place at the bottom of my fireplace, and it's so perfect. I just want to share it with you so you can do something like that if you're looking for ideas. So I'm gonna paint these because I didn't want them to look so orangey, if you know what I mean. I want them to look different. So at first I wanted to go with a pastel theme, but based on the colors that I had for the acrylic paints, which as I mentioned, these are from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, based on the colors that I had to work with, I had to just change my pastel theme to something else. But in the end, it turned out beautiful, and you'll see later on. So I have this orange shade that I'm trying to just tone it down a bit so it looks a bit cooler and not so bright and shocking. Yes, so I mixed the orange acrylic paint along with the white to just tone it down a bit. My brush is from Dollar Tree, and I also added some Arm& and Hammer baking soda to add some texture to the paint. Once it's dry, it will look more like a stone, or it has this beautiful matte finish instead of that glossy paint finish. Fall is honestly one of my favorite times of the year. There's just something so comforting about the crisp air, the warm drinks, of course, the beautiful colors. The oranges, reds, and yellows just make everything feel cozy, right? Are you like me? Do you love fall? So I thought. So why not bring some of that fall magic indoors? And this is so easy, you can do it too. By the way, thanks for stopping by and hitting play on my video. I'm glad to have you here. And if you're not yet a subscriber to my channel, I would really appreciate your support. If you could just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. So I wanted to mix and match the pumpkins. I didn't want the two stacks to look exactly the same. So as you can see, I painted one of the big pumpkins and one of the medium-sized ones in this same color. Moving on, as I showed the ribbon earlier, which is the theme I decided to go with orange, brown, and green. So now I'm going to paint two more pumpkins with the brown acrylic paint. And I did the same thing. I just mixed some baking soda to just alter that texture to make it more matte and like a clay pot instead of a shiny pot. And there you have it, another pumpkin done. And I also did one of the small topper pumpkins in brown. Now onto the green. The green was so pigmented, y'all. It went on so smoothly on the pumpkin. It was a pleasure working with the green. I didn't have to mix it with any other paint, so I just added baking soda. And I loved the color. I had no intention of using green when I started this project, but the green is so beautiful, y'all. I really like the green. It's my favorite color in this project. So my two green pumpkins are done, and this is what they look like once they're fully dried. I also used a blow dryer to speed up the drying process. This is what they look like. So now I'm just gonna stack the pumpkins together. And there's nothing much to it. They clip on easily to each other. I know like the top ones, I had a little issue getting them to sit securely on to the other one, but in the end they clipped on perfectly. And now I'm just gonna add some decor to enhance the look of these pumpkins. As I mentioned, I picked up all of these items at the Dollar Tree. You can find everything I'm using at Dollar Tree. And I'm using a hot glue gun to just glue them onto the pumpkin. How beautiful is that? And then the ribbon, this is the ribbon I showed when I started the video. I just made a bow to put on the second stack of pumpkins, using the hot glue gun to just put it together. Yes, I like how that turned out, and I'm just adjusting my bow to look how I want it to look. So these are the fall leaves that I picked up, and I'm just removing them from the branch, and then I'm just gonna cut the little stems off and hot glue them onto the pumpkins. I'm gonna put some beside the bow and also beside the sunflower on the top. And I just laid a red one first and then put a white one on top. It's so simple to do. This is not hard. It's really simple. And in the end, it just turned out so beautiful. At the bottom, I used the larger white leaves and then just put small red leaves on top, or that's an orange one. Same thing on the other side. So I'm going to just finish this off by putting some fall leaves in the middle of the bowl. And there you have it. My nice fall pumpkin decor is finished, and I'm just gonna put this on my fireplace. I'm just adding some other items on my fireplace mantle to just bring everything together. And here's the pumpkin that I'm adding to the foot of the fireplace. And this is how it looks, y'all. It was so simple and nice. I think the only thing that I'm missing on my fireplace right now is a garland. Yeah, so there you have it, my DIY fall pumpkin decor. It's such a fun and easy way to embrace the beauty of fall and make your home feel warm and inviting. Let me know in the comments how you're decorating for the season, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs, beauty tips, and cozy seasonal content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy fall, everyone!